Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at what is fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole, and today we're going to look at what is the part and what is the whole. Let me explain this clearly in my video with some real-time scenarios. So first let's start with our topic. So here I have one whole apple and I have cut this apple into 4 equal pieces. I have taken one piece for me. So how can you represent this as a fraction? This can be told as I have taken 1/4 of the apple or 1/4 of the apple. What does 1/4 mean? 1/4 mean 1/4. What does the top number and the bottom number represents? The bottom number represents how many pieces I have cut the whole into. So in my example, I have cut the whole into 4 equal pieces. And the bottom number is called the denominator. And the top number shows how much piece I have taken. So in my example, I have taken 1 piece. And the top number is called numerator. Now I'm taking another piece of apple. So how can this be represented in fraction? It can be told as I have taken 2/4 of the apple or 2/4 of the apple. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. What does 2/4 mean? 2/4 mean 2/4. Again, the denominator shows how many parts the whole is cut into, and the numerator shows how many parts I have taken. 2/4 also means 1/2, which means I have taken half of the apple for me. I'm taking another piece of apple. So how can this be represented in fraction? This can be told as I have taken 3/4 of the apple or 3/4 of the apple. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. What does 3/4 mean? 3/4 mean 3/4. The denominator shows how many pieces the whole is cut into, and the numerator shows how many pieces I have taken. Now I'm going to take another piece of apple, which makes 4/4. The denominator shows how many pieces the whole is cut into, and the numerator shows how many pieces I have taken. Now 4/4 means 1. So that means I have taken the whole apple for me. In my example, we have seen 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. These are all the parts of the whole. And have you noticed that these fractions are less than 1? And also, have you observed that the numerator is smaller than the denominator? This type of fraction is called proper fraction. Let me give you some few examples so it will be easy to understand. What is this fraction called? This is called 1/8. I have cut a whole apple into 8 pieces. So that's why the 8 is in the denominator. And I have took 1 piece for me. So that's why the 1 is in the numerator. So you can tell this fraction as I have took 1/8 of the apple. How do you call this fraction? This fraction is called 3/8. They have cut a whole apple into 8 pieces, so that's why the 8 is in the denominator. And I have took 3 pieces for me. That's why the 3 is in the numerator. So you can tell this fraction as I have took 3/8 of the apple. Thank you everyone, I hope you liked my video. In this video we learned what a fraction is and what a proper fraction is. In my next video, I'm going to explain what an improper and a mixed fraction is. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, then like and subscribe. Bye!